Hey YouTube, we're back again, and you see this white yellowish light? We're here to upgrade this to a bright white and a fourth brake light. Here's the kit. It's a Raxiom, all plug and play. You don't have to cut anything. It has everything that just plugs and plays into the factory harness with the bulb. I'll show you the functionality. It comes with instructions, which obviously this video is going to be, and it's going to be a nice upgrade. Pull up this tab for this carpet. You're going to pull this, just take it out of the car. Now you're going to have these little grocery hook things for the bag. Just unscrew these, put them off to the side. You got two on each side, one on the top, one on the bottom. Take a panel popper and you're going to pop these Christmas tree push pins. You're going to pop these out. So to get this back piece out, like you would automatically assume that you just start pulling this way because there's push pins, but there's not. What you want to do is pull the top so that you clear these two screws, and then you're going to pull up. So on both sides you clear the screws and then pull up. If you were to just pull straight away, you're going to snap all these little holders that go into these slots. So behind the driver's side brake light, you're going to see this plug connected to this wire up here. You're just going to unplug it, and then you're going to plug this daisy chain part in between, and then this will go to the other side, to the passenger side. After you plug this together, you can just put the carpet back and you're done behind the driver brake light. The passenger side is a little more tricky. So we have to move the subwoofer. There's a Torx bit here, here, here. That'll remove this. Then we have a bigger Torx bit here, and we'll have two on the bottom to remove. The Torx bit you need is a T15. Now for these bottom brackets, we have two 14mm bolts on the bottom. Remove those from each side. You're going to need a Torx bit for this bolt here, and that is a T40. So you're going to use a T40 right here. Now you can pull out the subwoofer and unplug this harness. Behind the passenger light, you're going to see the same exact thing. This one, since I have a sub, it has this shit in the way, but you just unplug this by pushing on the tab, and then the rest of it, this resistor box, it's only going to plug in one way, so plug in each end, and then the red wire. This red wire, we're going to poke a hole in this grommet and run the red wire down to the light. Now put the whole subwoofer area back together the way you took it apart. Now take something sharp. You're going to poke right in the middle of this. You're going to poke a hole. Then you're going to take this connector, and you're going to run it through the hole you make. So you might have to make it a little bigger than what I just made, but just push it through. So this is what you're going to want it to look like. So it goes through, and then we're going to just plug this back in where it goes, and then feed the wire through to the bottom light. So here is the back of the reverse light. So to get this out, you just twist counterclockwise and pull it out. There's a normal bulb. So what we're going to do now, push this little tab here and pull this gray part of it out. Once you push the tab, this is the piece that's going to come out. Now you're going to grab the tool that came with it. You're going to come over to the connector, and there's a plug I can, there you go. See that plug in the middle? So you're gonna jam this in here, like so, in the center one. Sorry. So you're gonna take the tool, jam it in through the center, and look at that. The little plug came out, so pull the plug the rest of the way out. Now where that plug came out, you're gonna slide this in from the back. So you're gonna fold this over, you're gonna slide this wire into the back of the plug. So on the back side of this wire where the connector pin is, it has two little like wings, and then inside this housing there's a little plastic, just like a little plastic nub like this, and the two wings have to go over on each side of that little lug. So make sure you line it up like that, give it a nice solid push, and then you'll be in business. What we're gonna do now, pop out that bulb, we're gonna pop this bulb in, and then we're gonna plug it in and test it. All right, now go ahead and put it in neutral, or reverse. Reverse. Nice, bright white, good. Neutral. Turn the running lights on. Push on the brake. Everything works, so let go of the brake. So it's on with the running lights, and then when you push the brake, it gets brighter. Go ahead, put everything back inside the trunk the way it was. Put the lights on. Nice. Put it in reverse. Look at that, bright white. Now push the brake. The brake with reverse, it stays white. Go ahead, put it out of reverse in neutral. As soon as he puts it in neutral, it turns red. Very sexy. I'd like to thank everybody for coming and checking out my video. If you liked it, hit that like button. If you hated it, hit that dislike button. I don't care. If you want to see more, hit subscribe. If you want to call me a fat bastard, put that down below. Till next time, wrench on.